I've left the house. It's currently 3 o'clock. Maintenance is scheduled to come at 3:30. So Dalton is handling all of that with their manager and hopefully getting something done, and hopefully getting their managers to realize that they're actual fucking buffoons. But yeah, so I just dropped off Dalton's ballot in the mail. I'm at the post office right now, and I brought the book Loud by Drew Offawallo to continue reading while I wait, because it snowed yesterday, so I can't even just like go to a park or anything. Like, it's cold and annoying, so you know. But yeah, that's where we're at currently. And someone pulled in behind me, but good times. I don't get out of the house often anymore because I'm unemployed and have no car. So, and also I don't feel comfortable leaving my apartment anymore because the maintenance people are so fucking aggressive and annoying. So anyway, but yeah, I am all dressed in Alchemy, going to get Menchie's with Dalton, and here he is. Let's get some frozen yogurt. We just got our Menchie's. I got cotton candy, no sugar added strawberry, and pure chocolate. What'd you get?
I got Dole Whip pineapple flavor with Fruity Pebbles and Kit Kat.
Nice. I also got strawberry boba. They didn't have my normal sour gummy worms. And then I got some fresh strawberries, and I think that was it. And the gummy bears, because they didn't have my normal. So, yum. Okay, we got some Crumbl because the flavors looked good. And I don't normally support Crumbl because it's like owned by the Mormons-ish. So it's not really my vibe, but here we are. And Luna's on crack a little. But I love the pink sugar cookies, so when they have it, sometimes I will get it, but I haven't had it in years, I think. So we got 2 pink sugar cookies, the Lucky Charms one, the Fruity Pebbles one, the sweet chocolate chunk one, and the wild berry sugar one. And they look good. I'm gonna eat one of these, and these are massive, so I'm excited about that. We're going to drive Instacart because we want to make some extra money. I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday because we literally wore them for like 30 minutes. Went into Menchie's, get our yogurt, went to the car, ate the yogurt, went into Crumbl, got our cookies, and came home. And I got changed. So I'm gonna wear it again because it's not really that dirty. And honestly, this takes up so much room in the washing machine and the dryer that I'm glad to get some more use out of it before I have to wash it. We're going to brunch, and one thing about me is I will park as far away as I need to in order to get free parking, because I fucking hate paying for parking. It's like one of my pet peeves. I don't know why, but now we have a lovely walk, except it's downhill, and so it'll be uphill on the way back, but we'll have food in our system, so it'll be okay.
You have to make them so fast.
right, here comes the story time. I'm gonna try to keep this brief and as least emotional as possible. I'm still currently working through all of this, so please bear with me. I was actually gonna do all my makeup and everything and look presentable for this clip, but then I decided, how real would that actually be? Not real at all. And this is real. So this is the current state that I'm in. It's been a bad couple of weeks for my PTSD. We've had several issues with our maintenance people, and we finally got upper management involved after they were extremely aggressive and yelled at us in our own apartment. Completely destroyed my safe space. I was sitting in my spot on my bed when they were here, and now every time I try to go to sleep, all I can think about is them yelling at us. Me sitting there and them yelling at us. And me telling them to leave multiple times and them not respecting that. So I cleansed the space after they had left, but it was still a lot weighing heavy on me, and that's why I ended up taking that staycation trip, because I needed to be out of this space. However, I also don't feel comfortable leaving Luna here by herself in this space or being gone from the space too long, because I'm afraid that they will try to enter the space or that some emergency will happen on property because of their neglect. So I just have been a hermit inside my own home, but also feeling so trapped and so confined. I also feel like I'm being watched. So I no longer have my curtains open, and I'm gonna be getting some sort of fabric to block off the bottom of that so that I can't see them and they can't see me. Seeing them is extremely triggering for me, and the other day they called Dalton and said that there was a leak and that they were needing to come into our apartment, and so Dalton told them, okay, I'm on my way home, like I'll let you know when I get back. And then I swear to God, not even like 10 minutes later, they were banging on the door. And so that put me into a state of panic. And they just would not stop banging on the door until Dalton finally answered them on the ring and was like, go away, I'm not home yet, you can't come in. And so of course I was crying and freaking out, couldn't breathe, shaking, just trying to get ready to leave. And then I had to walk past them in that state. Dalton was like, can you get the manager here? Because like, you're not allowed in here without a manager because they fucking suck. And the guy was like, I'm the maintenance supervisor. And I was like, well, you fucking suck. Which is why you can't, like, what the fuck? You suck at your job. That's why we're asking for other people above you, the people that are in charge of you, because you suck at your job. Easy as that. And so when Dalton said that, he, like, the other maintenance guy then gets on the phone and is like, hey, can you come down here? And he's fucking laughing on the phone as I had to fucking pass them in the middle of a panic attack. So then I had to leave the apartment for like 2 to 4 hours. I don't even remember. It was so long. I couldn't go anywhere. I didn't have anywhere to go. And eventually I had to use the bathroom. So I went to fucking Target to use the bathroom because I know that if I go in and don't purchase anything and leave, that hurts their statistics. Like, they have like sensors and shit for that. And so, like, I was like, I just need to use the bathroom. And a lot of the places here either have a code or a key that you need to use to get into the bathroom. And, like, I understand that, but, like, I was not in a state that I could speak to anyone. So, I was like, I know Target bathrooms don't have locks on them. I don't have to talk to anybody to go to the bathroom. So, I'll just go to the Target bathroom and hurt their stats at the same time. Kill two birds with one stone. Then I was finally able to come back to my fucking house, but it still felt horrible because I'm like, I know that they were here, and and that whole interaction, having to walk past them banging on my door for several minutes. So, we're doing our best to try to find out how we can get out of our lease early. Other than that, we're just trying to keep our heads down and get the fuck out of here because, like, I can't. But yesterday, I did take it upon myself. I'm getting free shit in the mail because I'm an influencer. Like, I have brands sending me stuff, and so, and it came in the mail yesterday, and I was like, I can't even go to the mailbox because I can't even leave my house because I can't see them. If I see them, it's too triggering for me. But I told myself, no, like, you're getting free shit in the mail. I bet they're not getting free shit in the mail. So I just, like, told myself that I just have to, like, look presentable and, like, be a bad bitch going to get the mail. And maybe, hopefully, I can get back into walking, too. I just, like, I can't leave the house right now. So that's where we're at. And that's why the vlog is so short. This was 2 weeks of vlog, and it was only 5 minutes worth of footage. So I apologize for that, but I've, like, just been watching TikTok and TV all day. Because I can't do anything else. I just only have the energy to live right now. Unfortunately. But I wanted to keep you guys updated and be honest, so this is where we're at. Hopefully we're in a better state next week. I'll see you then.